All right, those were our ground beef balls. And now we're gonna grab our second muffin tin and flatten those right in there, just like so. Beautiful. We're gonna quickly season our meat with some garlic powder. And you can season these however you like. That is the beauty of this. We didn't grease our muffin tin. We just have our scoops of ground beef in there that we just flattened out. Now I'm gonna come in with some pink Himalayan salt because I like a little bit of salt on my patties, and we're just gonna grind that right on there. But if you're worried about your sodium, you can skip this, or you can, choose an alternative. Now I'm gonna finish this off with a little bit of black pepper. I love black pepper. It just gives a little kick to the meat, and it complements the garlic powder and the salt just perfectly. Oh yeah. All right, beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. All right, but we still have our cheese here, and this is just some cheddar cheese that I shredded. And I'm gonna come in with my hamburger pickles, and we're gonna add 1 pickle per muffin cup. And this is gonna be such a fun take on burgers. I love doing this because who doesn't love cheese? It's a little bit lower in calorie and it tastes incredible. I obviously did cheddar cheese, but you can do whatever cheese you like. This is great for, a family get together, a barbecue, whatever you wanna make it for, people will love it. So 1 pickle each, and then to bring some heat into this, I'm gonna add a jalapeno to this as well. This is obviously optional. If you don't want too much heat, you can skip it. You can do an onion instead, but I like jalapenos, so we're going for it. Pickle jalapeno cheese. This is match made in heaven. All right, 1 more, beautiful. And I used my Tillamook cheese, and this is a 4-cup bag, and we're gonna use half of it on the bottom, and we're gonna use the second half right on top, just like so. We're gonna do that with each of the little muffin cups that we have so that our pickle and our jalapeno are covered in cheese. All right, got that last one covered in cheese. And I did grease this muffin tin. This is gonna go right next to our burgers for about like 15 to 20 minutes. All right, we pulled these out. All right, we're gonna grab our plate and come on over to our little cheese little things, and we're gonna grab 3 of these to start. Look how perfectly they come out because I greased that pan. And now I'm gonna grab some of our patties to put right on top of that little cheese. Oh my goodness, this smells so delicious, and look how it just sits on that cheese perfectly. Yummy. We gotta add some sauce to this, so we're doing some burger sauce. You can add whatever you like, mayo, mustard, just a little squirt on each one should be plenty. And we're gonna top it with tomato and lettuce. And those cheese rounds are actually acting as our bun. I told you it was low carb, extra cheese, extra delicious, and look at our little sliders. Those look crazy good. Cannot wait to give one a try. Look at that. Oh, okay. It's time to dig in. You probably could make your patties a little bit smaller than this.